just hanging loose? Huh? Is it time to feed the baby? I see you have all your stuff. I think the baby might be thirsty.
My baby.
I see her. Wow. Take care of her. Did you give her a kiss?
No.
You don't want the camera? I'm going to take a picture of the baby. Not Charlotte. Okay. Look at that baby. A little salt and pepper. Is she hungry? Did she eat it?
It's a little hot.
Is it hot? Did he blow on it? Maybe it's too hot.
I don't know when it's hot.
You blow on it? Maybe it's hot.
Yeah.
She eats good. Oh, you think she wants to drink out of that? Doesn't she want a cup? Oh, that's a lot for the baby. Yep. Did she finish? Wow, you make it good, hon.
Stop it. Nice.
Why are you getting the umbrella? Uh-oh, is that for the baby? Push the button. I'll help you. You want to open it? Who's it for, the baby? Oh, there it is. Here you go. You got it? Hold it tight. Oh, that will keep it from the sun.
What's that? What's that? I did it.
You did that one, yeah.